Take a certain out in there. And then, yeah, now we kind of complete it. We can round off any areas. We can hand sand it. So we'll take this. The end is kind of tough, but back end, front, just kind of work it, the feel for your rough spot, cut, right, and don't take too much, so that when you go to the hand sander, now you can just